Hey, Rigor here from Rigor's Garage and Boat Basin. I got a little quick update on some tools for making WeatherPak connectors. I hope you enjoy it. Okay. If you recall, last time I used this WeatherPak tool for crimping the connectors. If you recall, last time I had to straighten the little prongs right here to make sure they were straight up and down, and then kind of do the same one forming this. Well, I've got a new tool. This one, if you recall, I had to use for a 14 gauge a number 4 here, and I would have to hold the wire in. I would have to hold, kind of determine, no, it was upside down. I'd have to hold the wire in and kind of get it, like say, right in here, and then I would stick the wire in here and crimp it, and then I would move to the end here and crimp around the rubber washer that prevented water. Well, let me show you a different way of doing this. Little number 14 wire. Let me put on, hope you don't mind, there's airplanes today and leaf blowers down the block. So I've got this new tool. It's a ratcheting tool, okay? And if you look here, 22 gauge, 18 gauge, 14, 16 gauge. So what I do with this is I stick the pin in all the way. So here we go. So I stick this in. There you go. Perfect crimp. Now, just got this. This is like the third crimp I've done. So I have got a perfect crimp right here, ready to go into a WeatherPak connector. So I'm going to sit here, and this tool is something called iCrimp right here. I bought it from Amazon. Basically, you search Amazon on WeatherPak tools. It's ratcheting. There's 3 sizes. Comes complete with this connector block on the back that holds the connector. Compared to this tool, this one's a piece of cake. Really is. For $35, this is well worth the price if you're doing WeatherPaks. And of course, when you're doing anything with boating, I really recommend the WeatherPak connectors. Hope you enjoyed this. If you did, please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.